So, our next project, we're going to be taking the front plastic stuff off the front of the car. All the grill and plastic shrouding, stuff like that. The reason we were doing that, if you may remember, back about a year ago or so, we did this.
Oh, shit.
And managed to break the alternator. So, since the car's been running kind of hot recently, we're going to pull the front off and check the radiator, see how much mud and crap is gunked up in the fins, affecting the cooling. And while we're doing it, we're going to replace the horns because, yeah, factory horns suck. So, and we live in Albuquerque, so we need louder horns. So we just got the front of the car off. You can see the state of the radiator. It looks like we did clog it up pretty good with some mud and dirt and crap on that trip to Harris. So let's rinse it out with the hose and try to scrub it down a little bit, see if we can make it any better. Alright folks, Amazon just dropped off the horns for us, so let's see what we got going on here. Well, they're horns. Hopefully they're louder. They're hella, so they ought to be, right? So, guess let's get them installed. Should be easy. So, just to verify real quick, make sure the connector is correct. Looks good. So, now I get to bolt them up somewhere. Okay. So the horns got installed, went in real easy. Now the only reason that they're both pointing the same direction is so that the connector is on the bottom, so that the wires reach and I don't have to make any splices or extensions. So I'm being lazy, and that's how they're going to get installed. Well, time to put her back together, I guess. All right, all done. It was pretty quick, pretty easy. Everything is now officially buttoned up. Till next time.